This is a table. She is a good teacher. I have a backpack for school. At school, I sit in a chair. There is a clock in my class. I look at the clock. It is 12:08. The eraser is the color pink. I write in the notebook with a pencil. I write on the paper with a pen. Let's read. Hat, hate. Hat, hate. Mat, mate. Lat, late. Man, main. Pan, pain. Van, vain. Pet, Pete. Kit, kite. Kit, kite. Bit, bite. Nin, nine. Din, dine. Pin, pine. Sit, sight. He is a boy. He's a boy. She is a girl. She's a girl. It is a clock. It's a clock. They are erasers. They're erasers. We are students. We're students. I am not mad. I'm not mad. I'm happy. You are not wet. You aren't wet. You're not wet. No, no. You're dry. Seco, dry. He is not big. He's not big. He isn't big. He's small, small. Big, small. She is not big. She's not big. She isn't big. She's small, small. It is not big. It's not big. It isn't big. It is small. They are not pens. They aren't pens. They're not pens. They are pencils. Pencils. No, we are not sad. We are not sad. We are happy. Now your turn to read. Ahora te toca a ti. Now your turn to read. Good luck.